Miss Doyle, this is amazing to be out here
It is.
in the middle of nowhere. And doesn't cost anything.
What's going on, guys? We're at the Grand Canyons and we were given a tip about some free camping right outside the south gate. So we drove down here last night. We got in at dark, so we're all kind of parked kind of candywampus. But look at the campground. Well, it's not a campground, it's just BLM land. There's no services, but it is amazing, beautiful here. I'm going to show you guys around. When we came in last night, we saw all these signs and we thought they were designated campsites. So I called Nellie and Lucy said no. Her husband remembered there's signs back here, so definitely not designated. Looks like it might be starting to thaw. I love seeing the snow on the ground. I hope there's some snow in the canyon when we walk over there, but obviously I don't want it to be too slippery. My sister walked back this section right here and she said there's a really nice open area. Might be a little bit better than where we were at. She said there was an iced pothole, which looks like it's right there. She's exactly right. It's not that far back here. But there's no traffic on the road, so there's not really that big of a deal staying by the road. Oh, I wonder what kind of tracks those were. I can't tell how many paws are on there. Real close together. I'll have to look at my track chart. Yeah, this is what she was talking about. Definitely what she was talking about. Nice. This is unbelievable. I can't believe this is free. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to be worth driving back here, taking a chance of getting stuck, because my van's front wheel drive, Bobby's van's rear wheel drive, and this is just a sheet of ice. So I feel like our campsite where we're at is probably gonna be good enough. It is so beautiful out here. This is my kind of camping. I loved it in the desert. I loved hanging out with people, but this is my kind of camping. Gosh, it's nice. All right, let's go to the Grand Canyon. It is so stinking amazing to be back here again. Oh my gosh. Woo.
All right, come on now, easy. Mister. You're making me nervous. Watch that ice right there, Johnny.
Okay.
Mister.
What?
Slip
That is slick.
Follow my ass.
Down there, but it is to me. I'm not going down that ice.
Look
and
at
touching my
that. Look at this.
foot. I'm afraid I would fall.
I hear you. I'm calmer now.
So pretty.
Is this the best? Woo!
And I have a little bit of bacon.
All right, guys, we're back at the BLM land out here, and we're getting ready to make breakfast for supper.
Oh,
Tracy is in charge of the bacon. Bobby is in charge of the eggs. I'm in charge of the pancakes. We are going to have an amazing hot breakfast. Supper.
Absolutely
Oh,
spectacular.
man.
Oh, yes. Don't mess with the bacon.
That's some ASMR there, isn't it?
Is it?
Oh yeah.
We're going to eat good tonight.
She has got a wicked setup.
Oh, no. It's messy.
Where's Miss Cat? Where
She
you
jumped
going?
in the front.
Oh, how you doing? You want to come over to the van?
She might like that, actually.
Oh, I'm going inside to make some pancakes. Sophie, you want to come inside?
Can you take...
All right, guys, we're getting ready to get back on the road. This time we're heading home. So back to that cold, cold, cold Missouri weather. But we have had an amazing time. This free camping right outside the Grand Canyon, this was just huge find. It is amazing. I'll never pay to park in the Grand Canyons again. This place, you can see, is just, man, it's so awesome here. So Bobby and I are going to get back on the road. We're going to leave Tracy behind. She's going to get some organizing done and then head back to Yuma and meet up with all the other ones. And they're heading to Mexico. So I have to miss out on that. I got to get home, get some van building started. And all right, guys, thanks for following along again. We'll see you guys on the next video.